No.
Just the rubber.
Same, no.
So how much is this? How much?
450 lang. 450.
What?
450 lang.
50?
450.
Hi, it's our fourth day here in Ho Chi Minh. Agenda, well, again, hindi ko na naman nagawa yung maagang agenda because late na ako natulog. Nagising na ako around 1. So, time check, it's 1:40. Gusto ko sana kumain muna pero I think magsasara na yung Independence Palace by 3:30. So, I'll go ahead, head to Independence Palace just to check it out. Okay, papunta tayo ng Independence Palace. Sobrang init na naman. Feels, 38, heat index 44. So, for the payong tayo. Pulas na agad, aga-aga. Okay, sabi, 6-minute walk na lang. Pero hulas na rin. Init, guys. Init. Gusto ko mag-picture dito. I'll try tomorrow because I have work. Yeah, I'm working remotely.
What's your name, sir?
Huh?
What's your name? My name.
My name? Oh.
Baby. Zuwai.
What?
Zuwai. Baby.
Sorry, what? I don't understand.
Give me my wife.
What's my wife?
Yes. Baby, 1 baby, 2 baby.
You have kids?
Yeah. 3 baby.
3.
Baby.
No.
No baby.
No, not yet.
Really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot here.
Hana?
What? This one?
No.
Oh, this.
No.
What?
No, sorry. Ho Chi Minh ha?
No, don't.
No.
Just the rubber.
Same, no wood, no, same cleaner, no problem. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. That is so big.
Yeah, I know. Just have to loosen that up. Then we'll go in. Hopefully it will not get dirty later on.
Yeah, good.
So how much is this? How much?
450 lang. 450.
What?
450 lang.
50?
450
Why 450?
lang.
That's too expensive. 450 is expensive.
450 lang. 450 lang.
I don't have that much. I don't have 450.
Tama.
I don't have 450. You said 450. I don't have 450. That's too much. 450 is too much, you know.
No, give me 350.
What?
350. Yeah.
What 250?
Yeah.
I don't have that much.
No, too much. I have 3 size Vietnam.
What?
3 size Vietnam same right? Need a house.
I don't have that much money, you know. So I can only give 50.
50 cheap.
Yeah.
50
That's
cheap.
only my budget.
Oh, I have 50 very cheap.
I can just return the massage.
No, give me a maximum.
What?
200 okay.
I don't 200.
Maximum inside shoe size.
That's too much, you know, because in the Philippines, when we have this, we can only give like 10.
Oh,
Yeah.
no,
In the Philippines, I know that there's a lot of in the Philippines, they are cleaning the shoe and then
If you feel with no 10,000, no buy no chair. No cheap.
Yeah. That's the cost. I know the cost.
10,000, give me one cigarette.
You know what? I do my research, and that only will cost me right then. Not 450, not 200.
No, lucky Sherry, no problem. Give me 200. Okay, maximum.
No, I don't have 200. Sorry, that's too much.
No, too much.
I can just return the pads, and I can.
Susai,
I can.
Susai 100 on 50. Yeah, Susai 100. Give me inside.
What?
Okay, give me 200 down. Inside massage.
I don't have 200,
No.
sir. What? No.
Yeah.
I can only give you like maximum of 50. That's already too much because it only costs 10. And you didn't ask for my permission.
Inside, Susai, lucky, okay.
What? I didn't ask for. You didn't ask me if you want my shoes to be cleaned, right? So I don't have that much money, you know. Even if I want to give you, I don't have that much. I can only give a maximum 50, you know.
Maximum okay, yeah. 150 okay. 150 okay. Okay, give me inside Susai.
You know what? I haven't eaten today. That's the reality. You know, I'm trying to cut costs.
Okay.
I can only give you 50. That's the maximum that I can give.
Maximum inside Susai. Give me 150. Okay, maximum Vietnam Sam 150. Okay.
No, because 150 I can already buy a shirt for that.
Oh, but
I can only give you 50. I can return the pads, so I'll just give you 50 because I can clean my own shoes.
Susai 50.
Yeah.
Susai, inside. In your so massage.
No. You know what? I'm recording this. Oh. Okay, I can give you how many? How much? 50. Is that okay?
Maximum inside Susai 100,000. Okay, maximum 100,000. Okay.
That's too much. I can buy a
50
shirt.
Susai 50 in the show. Okay. 100,000. Okay.
I'll just return the pads and
Okay.
I just give you 50.
Yeah, my friend. Give me 100. Okay, maximum.
100. I'm so sorry, Kun. I don't have that much.
No.
You know what? When I go to the market, they want to sell me 100,000. I can just negotiate to 50.
No.
That's too much. Already 50. It's already generous.
Give me 50,000. Give me Susai in the show. Okay. Maximum. Okay.
50. Is that okay?
Inside.
What do you mean inside?
Yeah, give me inside 50. Give me 100,000. Okay. Yeah.
I just returned the pad. I'll give you only 50. That's the only budget I have.
100,000.
I don't have 100,000. I can only give you 50. I'm sorry. I can return the pad if you want. I'm sorry. I don't have that much. You didn't. You see, you didn't ask for my permission. And I said it will get dirty real soon, real quick, because I'll be doing a lot of walking today. I'm sorry, I can only give you 50, and then, you know, I think it's already generous. What? What? Okay. Nice meeting you, Kun.
Okay.
God, Kun is a scammer. Ano ba yan? Guys, lapitin tayo. Ayoko na maging friendly. I'm gonna take some photo, pero baka kunin yung phone ko. Sure. Okay, Kun An. I'm afraid that you'll get my... Okay, narinis na yung shoes ko ni Kun. Nakuha na niya ako ng 50,000. Alam ko 10,000 lang yun. Kasi ginawa na ako. 450? Is he insane? Makabili na ako ng shirt din. Makabili na ako ng 4. Or may sukli pa. Huwag siyang hibang. I did my research, guys. Kaya alam ko na he's overcharging me. I said I don't have a lot of money with me. And also, hindi pa ako makain kasi gusto kong makapunta agad ng Independence Palace. Saan ba dito? Oh my God, naligaw na me. For the Google Map na lang.
Motherfuckers gotta really realize we don't